found a plastic tire track. We covered it at the beach. I washed it in seawater and now I'm letting it dry. I just found it at the rocks out there. Just jump in the middle of two rocks. So I pick it up, wash it. Now I have something like a recovery gadget for safety. So how do you use this safety plastic thing I found on the beach? Is if you get stuck, if your tires get stuck, it will spin and you need to recover or try to get out of a thing, you just put this under in front. You put it under in front if you want to go forward, or you can put it at the back if you want to reverse. So you just run over it, like extend your traction. This is free, nothing beats free. I found it at the beach. Hello, I showed you earlier I found this at the beach. This is like a recovery gear, so it's a safety gear, and I found it, so it's free, nothing beats free. So I just want to tell you that you can use this as part of your safety gear. So I don't know how much it is, but I think it's expensive, but since I found it, it's free. It's been used, it's already dirty on one side, maybe a tire went through it. So I showed you a demo earlier. You just put it under your wheel that's like stuck or doesn't have traction, so it will help in tractions. It's got a lot of teeth here to bite into the sand, mostly sand or mud or maybe snow, and there's extra grips that you could your tires can grip it. So the size is good, and this is small, you can fold it. It's a little bit rusted because it was in the sea, so you can just fold it into a little piece and store it inside your vehicle. You can buy it, I don't know, I think I can buy it from the store, or you can order it online, but it's free for me. I just found it and I think it still works. It's still good even though it's a little bit rusted. But just to show you another safety gear that you would need for camping, or even for just car trips or driving anywhere that you might get stuck, especially here at the beach. Okay, thank you, bye bye.